Welcome to DLM Campervans. Today we have a 2022 Transit Connect magnetic metallic with a brand new conversion. The vehicle has 45 miles on it, leather seats. It also has the mid-vehicle overhead console. Our conversion consists of the couch that pulls out into a 43 by 72 inch bed, max air fan, over there antenna, solar, dual house batteries, 2000 watt inverter, refrigerator, microwave, sink, shore power plug and cord, a hitch. Again, this is the first 2022 available for sale. Check out our inventory or give us a call for the other 22s that are in production. We also have some other models. 651-285-7089 or 507-382-9446. Or check out our website, www.dlm-distribution.com. Happy camping!